Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to replace images in Google Docs. This tutorial should be a very straightforward tutorial, quick and easy to follow, so anyone should be able to do this if you watch carefully. Now, do not worry if you're not familiar with the whole interface of Google Docs, if you're a beginner or even a first timer in using this software, as I will be here to show you, guide you, and give you the step-by-step process on how you can do this thing. Now, before proceeding with anything else, I want you to make sure that the Google Chrome you are using is completely up to date. This is so that we can avoid any unexpected errors that we may encounter along the process. Now, let us get started. As you can see in my Google Docs file, I have here a sample paragraph and an image right over here. We also have a header and a footer. Now, as you can see in my image, I can drag it anywhere along the Google Docs and even do text wrapping. If you are curious on how I do the text wrapping, please make sure to watch it using the dedicated playlist compiling all the Google Docs tutorial on our YouTube channel. Now, how to replace an image in Google Docs. This trick will be a very useful one to make your work efficient and your life generally easier, as you do not have to delete this whole image just to replace it. Now, all we have to do is to focus on the upper panel of our screen, which gives us the tons of options that we can choose from. And as you can see, as we navigate our cursor to our image and click on it using the left click on our mouse once, the tools on the upper panel of our screen changes. And here we have image options and the option to replace our image. Click on the replace image once, and as you can see, we can upload from the computer, search the web, and search the drive. In my case, I would like it to upload directly from my computer. Click on it once, and let's say for example, I would like to replace it with this sample image. Click on it once, or if your image is located to a different directory, be sure to navigate through your computer on the left side right over here. Click on the desired image once, and click on open. And now as you can see, as simple as that, we can change or replace the image on Google Docs. If you learned something in this video, please consider subscribing and dropping a like. From here, I'll see you guys next time and thank you for watching.